Hello friends of software entertainment and welcome to Never Code Alone. Today, it's about the Flowbyte Component Pro account, which I treated myself to yesterday, spending just under $300 on a one-time payment. I did something similar in the same price range with Tailwind. However, the components there do not really develop further, and I hope that it is different with the Flowbyte blogs. Let's take a look today at what is available here. These blogs are very well organized. Soon I will be implementing a new header section live on the Never Code Alone page. That is definitely important, among other things, for accessible web design, which we are very committed to, and in the process we unfortunately can't make any progress with the current header. However, I noticed that if you look at the marketing UI, for example, and see how a feature section is presented, you can view the individual views very nicely in the preview. Tailwind has that too. But when I actually look at the illustrative example code, all the elements are basically included one-to-one. At least with Tailwind, with the Tailwind UI kit, I have the advantage that only one element is displayed here, and then I can easily integrate more and directly enter it into the loop while programming without having to pack it into an iteration myself. But otherwise, I really quite like all the blocks here. I have especially now very much use and in relation to marketing UI, some things that I now need for our websites. In addition, there is also an application UI which offers very good components, especially in relation to SaaS applications or if you are working on dashboards. Then I also have a publisher UI. We need to take a look at it because I actually have the block here in WordPress now. I don't really know how to get Flowbyte in there, but there definitely aren't too many sections here. Publisher UI now sounded a bit more like YouTube to me, that you publish media here, but it's also okay to have these components. And the most important thing is, of course, an e-commerce UI. And here I have seen really, really beautiful components that I definitely want to use. And with that, I am definitely making good progress. That's all for now. My name is Roland from Never Code Alone. I am committed to accessible web design, open source, and software quality. And if you liked this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up. Twice a week, on Mondays and Fridays, a tutorial video is released here where I introduce things, so make sure to follow and turn on the bell. And with that, I wish you a great day. Enjoy. Another video from the entire playlist here on the topic of Tailwind, and stay green.